Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install enhanced visual mod in Dying Light the Beast. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to check my video description for this link. Just select the link and select the files option over here and then select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to a login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create an account, and then select the slow download option. It will be downloads done. After getting download done, right click on it and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, double click on the extracted folder. Copy this file. Just I'm gonna keep this on left, on right, any folder. And now navigate to the game folder where you installed. In my case, this is the game folder. Double click on the ph_ft. Double click on source, and here you just need to drag and drop this file, guys. Then just close stop here and open the game. And that's how you can install the enhanced visual mod in Dying Light the Beast. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.